All right, you've been trading, staking, and earning on Solana with Phantom Wallet. It's time to face reality. Tax season is here, but don't you dare worry. Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to do your Phantom Wallet taxes using Awaken step by step without the headaches. So, if you've been swapping, staking, or collecting NFTs, let's make sure you get everything reported correctly and fast. Let's dive in. Before we jump in, here's what you'll need to get your Phantom Wallet taxes done right. 1, your Phantom Wallet public address. Don't worry, no need for private keys. 2, an Awaken account. Number 3, basic understanding of taxable crypto events, buying, selling, staking, airdrops, yeah, it all matters. But don't stress, I'll break everything down. Step 1, we need to get all of your transactions from Phantom Wallet into Awaken. Open your Phantom Wallet and copy your public wallet address. Then you're gonna head to account section and Awaken and hit add account. Then you're gonna paste your wallet address and your full transaction history will appear in the transactions tab. Here you can label specific transactions and look through your gains and losses. All right, now that you have your wallet added, here's what to do next. You're gonna head to the taxes tab in Awaken. Here you will see all the different forms you can export for any tax software like TurboTax. Or if you have a CPA, you can export the files that they need and send it to them. And that's it. You have everything that you need for your Phantom Wallet taxes. If this video helped you, hit the like button and subscribe for more crypto tax tips. If you have questions, drop them in the comments and I'm happy to help. Now go to awaken.tax and calculate your Phantom Wallet taxes the easy way in just a few minutes. All right, see ya.